This is Vanessa from Van's Van and Travels, and this is Bobo. Usually he's just right up in my face when I say that. I thought I'd better come here today and say thank you to Bob Wells. He was so gracious and kind to do 2 videos of me. Because I have a big mouth, it would naturally take 2. I don't know, that's always been me and probably always will. Although now that I'm older, I do slow down just a little bit. But I tried to keep up with all the comments on his channel and mine too yesterday, and I couldn't do it. I am going back to it when I get done with this. Um, Everybody said the kindest words, and I appreciate that so much. And I'm telling you, you've really cheered me. You cheered me on because, um, believe it or not, I was about ready to come here and say I wasn't going to do any more videos because it just I don't know. But to me, I sound really stupid and I look really stupid. But you just said some wonderful words, and that kind of got me rejuvenated again. And some people want to see my van. I changed up a few things, not major changes, but when I went home, I did do some uh, different things to it. I tried to make it more homey and less junky, but I think I made it more junky. But it's homey to me no matter what. I love my van. I'm loving the van life, and I can't see ever getting tired of it. When I went home, I hated it actually. Now I enjoyed the showers. I took a lot of showers, and I really enjoyed it. But I not only have a 2 bedroom house, I have a small 2 bedroom house. And I was going around making sure no lights were on. I'm still using my lantern. I showed it in one video. It was my son's, but I bought one myself. And I'll show you that in the next video. Um, when I left, I had all of my solar lights sitting out in the boat, in my son's boat, getting charged up. And when I drove off, I went off and left them. But that's okay. I stopped along the way and bought me a lantern. They had them at the Walmart here. At home, you have to order them online. And I love it. I have just one thing to keep up with, and I don't have to bother taking the Lucy lights. And I had some the ones you stake down in the ground. Those are nice to have. Like when I get down in the desert, I'll probably pick up a couple more because there's a lot of people there. And when you're out there in those big areas, there's a lot of rigs and there's a lot of white vans out there. So it's easy to get lost. So we all put lights out of some kind and so we can spot our van. Um, I reached my 1,000 that I needed to be monetized. I still haven't even applied to monetize yet, and I'm still not sure if I will or not because I don't want to feel obligated to doing videos every day or 3 times a week. It seems like if I do it at my own pace, I do more and I do better. But if I feel pressured to do it, I don't do a good job. I've been kind of concentrating on my health. That's another thing I'll show you in the next video that I think a lot of people will be interested in because I do have rheumatoid arthritis and I think every kind of arthritis you can imagine. But arthritis is really no problem out here. My knee has been bad, but that's because I have a broken piece of cartilage in my knee and it gets down on that nerve, and it doesn't matter where I am, it's going to hurt. But I'm getting that taken care of. Hopefully by the end of November, I'm going in for an MRI like the first week of November, and then I'm going to just let them go in there and do whatever they have to do. I'm always getting off subject because I think about all this other stuff. As far as health, since Bob posted those videos, I've lost like, I don't know, 30 something pounds. I counted up last night. In 1 year, I've lost 36 pounds. And I did not try. The first like 20 pounds just started coming off. I mean, I didn't even know I was losing weight. I knew my clothes were getting bigger, And I don't know, I guess I thought they were just stretching out because I don't have a full length mirror in the van. And Letty told me one day she said, you've lost a lot of weight since I met you. And I met her July 2019. So when I got home and weighed, I was surprised at how much weight I lost. So I needed to lose like 20 more, and I lost 25 pounds more. And what I did, I started counting. I still ate the same, but I started counting how many calories I was eating. And I'd only been eating around between 700 and 900 calories a day. And usually it was right under 800. So I didn't want to get sick. And when I got back, well, I was headed out here from Indiana, and I heard this video talking about this green powder you buy well, I got mine at Whole Foods, but I think you can get it at Walmart or Amazon. It's called Amazing Grass. And you add a scoop I add mine to orange juice. I buy those little bottles of orange juice, and I dump a scoop in there. And I think the recommended dosage is a half a scoop, but I didn't know that, so I've been putting 1 scoop. And that's okay because it's all natural. But I think that's made the biggest difference. And now I'm not trying to lose weight. I weighed yesterday, and I weighed 136. And when I started out on the road, I think I was like 174. So I do feel better, but I don't want to get weak, and I do try to eat healthier. I don't eat sugar. Sometimes if I crave it, I go ahead and have it, but I don't crave it like I used to because I feel better. Bobo and I get out and walk a lot, and I'm happy when I'm on the road. I don't think I'll ever live at my house again. And when I do get ready to go home, I'm putting a little tiny home up on my property. That's all I'm going to say today. I just want to tell you how much I thank you, how much I appreciate all the kind words. I didn't have any negative words at all, and that's wonderful for you too. God bless you all. I appreciate every one of you, and I hope I have some enjoyable footage for you from now on. Thank you. Bye-bye.